In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add footnotes in Google Docs, perfect for essays, research papers, or detailed reports. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. First, open your Google Docs document. Now, click your cursor where you want to insert a footnote, let's say at the end of a sentence like this one. The data was collected in 2023. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Footnote from the dropdown. Google Docs will automatically drop you to the bottom of the page with a numbered footnote. Here, type your source, explanation, or extra note, for example, survey conducted by XYZ Research Group. You'll now see a small number appear next to your sentence, linking to the footnote at the bottom of the page, just like in formal academic writing. And that's it. You've added a clean, professional footnote to your Google Doc in just a few clicks. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy step-by-step Google Docs tutorials. Thanks for watching.